Are you driving an Audi and you would like to change the language of the Audi MMI and Audi virtual cockpit to your preference, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the language of the Audi MMI and Audi virtual cockpit to your preference. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Settings. Click on Language and Keyboard. Continue to Language. You can now select the language to your preference. By clicking on the Apply button, the Audi MMI will switch to your preferred language. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.